The Fox Kids Guide to Birdwatching. Oh, see that gorgeous sparrow? Oh, what a melodious bird call. And on that branch, it's a cockatoo. Crested and magnificent. And how about this spectacular?
Guess who?
Woody Woodpecker?
Hey, buddy, you think those birds are something? Get a load of these tail feathers.
Ooh, what a show-off.
Now, birdwatching is no longer for the birds. The Woody Woodpecker Show, premiering next Saturday morning at 10, only on Fox Kids.